To assign back tap gesture to POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down, and here we want to find additional settings. Inside, scroll down until we find the gesture shortcuts, and then on the bottom you can find the back tap. Now there's two shortcuts that you can assign for double back tap gesture or triple back tap gesture. Each of those apply different shortcuts. So for example, you can take a screenshot, you can enable talkback, recorder, or whatever you want. Now to actually use it, you will need to grab your phone in your hand. Then pay attention to the back. As you can see, there's a camera overlapping what it shows right here. So what we're gonna do is tap right below the camera. So you need to perform fast double back tap or fast triple back tap. It should look like this. And this should activate a feature. And the other way is triple. So 1, 2, 3. And that way we opened recorder. So that's how you can use it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.